Is there a program like iTunes for Android? In other words, is it possible to find an iTunes alternative for Android? Don't worry, here we collect some tools that can function like Apple iTunes on Android phones or tablets. Part 1. Best iTunes alternative for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android with its Mac version is the best Android version of iTunes for Android phones and tablets that can work on both Win or macOS platforms. How to use Assistant for Android to manage Android data on your computer. 1. After downloading and installing Assistant for Android on your PC or Mac, launch it and connect your phone to the computer via its digital cable. The software will automatically detect your Android device. 2. All data on your phone is categorized in the left column. You can pick the file types you want to manage. For example, if you want to control contacts, you can choose the Contacts option from the left and begin to add, delete, export, import, and edit the contacts. 3. Send, delete, export, import, resend, forward, and copy text messages on your smartphone. 4. Import, export, delete, and refresh call logs on your linked phone. 5. Install, uninstall, and export apps on this computer. 6. Import, export, or edit photos, videos, and music content on your Android mobile. 7. Backup and restore Android data in one click by going through the Super Toolkit Backup or Restore option to back up and restore your Android data on the computer quickly. Part 2. Other 6 iTunes equivalent for Android. 1. AirDroid. AirDroid enables Android users to manage the content that's stored in the device on a PC or Mac. The software can meet your needs and offer you features that are similar to those of iTunes. 2. MobileEdit Lite. With MobileEdit Lite, you're able to access all the files on your device easily and quickly. This app is reliable and lets you preview all the items you can see on the smartphone. 3. Double Twist. As one of the best iTunes apps for Android, Double Twist makes multimedia management on mobile phones a piece of cake. You can use this app to connect your phone to the computer system via USB or Wi-Fi. 4. MusicBee. MusicBee is a flexible alternative to iTunes, perfect for organizing and listening to music across Windows, Android, and iOS devices. Its intuitive UI and extensive features, like the 15-band equalizer and auto-tagging, enhance the listening experience. 5. Samsung Keys. Samsung Keys is a program that is designed and developed for Samsung specially. This is a professional iTunes-like app for Android that enables Galaxy users to transfer files from Samsung to computer or from PC or Mac to the device freely. 6. HTC Sync Manager. HTC Sync Manager is a cell phone assistant that is specially released for HTC phone owners and also enables users to manage the files on a computer efficiently.